shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating alone, no desire to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. Let the heavy rain flood my home. I've been known to fall asleep inside severe storm.
My word is all I got, so when I die, you'll still have them. I care so much I barely even promote my own album. For the people I write for, there's too much that I can say. I'm 20 albums deep and turned 30 the other day. The fact that I'm still bumping in people's ears after a decade makes me proud that I came from the country, raised by only rednecks. I took what I had as a hollow boy looking slick, became a staple in music, not for fun or just to get rich. I'm creating a new cloth with a way better stick, and when you put it on, you feel like you the king of your sticks. Because that's how the fans made me feel, and it made me all this. And if love was a drug, I'd probably OD on all this shit. Church.
I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling. I've been out here floating alone, no desire to touch base or to come back home. I can't shake this feeling. I feel there's no ceiling.